Right now, everyone could use a moment of Zen, so I wanted to show you how I set up my pop-up Zen space. All you need is a little corner. Even if you're spatially challenged in an apartment, you just need a tiny area. I have a yoga mat here. If you don't have a yoga mat, maybe just your favorite blanket, something that brings you comfort and joy. But these are the signifiers to everyone else around you, maybe your roommates, your kids, your spouses, that this is your do not disturb sign. The next thing I like to do is light a candle. So I have an unscented candle here, and I'm just gonna light it. When you light a candle, it's like taking a moment to make a cup of tea. Just kind of therapeutic. Again, if it's scented, it could kind of interrupt your whole space if you're in a smaller area like an apartment. This one does the trick just as is. The next thing I like to bring into my space is some plants. Just even a simple thing like this. I've got this darling little African violet I like to keep in my Zen space. And last but not least, we're gonna give ourselves a little massage. So you don't have to be a massage therapist. I have a little lavender essential oil here that I love. It just is a really calming scent. Now, you might not be into essential oils, that's absolutely fine. You can just also use some hand cream. Right now with all this hand washing that we're doing, this is a perfect little treat for your hands. You can also go ahead and do a temple massage. So your temples are right here next to your eyes. Put your thumbs right there. We're gonna cover our eyes for a moment of darkness, and then just rub your fingers in a circular motion for a few moments. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and then slowly release your fingers and open your eyes. And you'll see how your state of mind changes. You're calmer now. You have that moment of Zen.